we are losing bees. We have lost about 40 to 50% of the bees in the last decade. And bees are responsible for 1/3 of our food. So there are a lot of people working on the conservation efforts, and that's awesome. But we want to come from a completely different point of view, which is like, okay, can we supplement the natural pollinators, which are bees? Can we make technology to the level wherein we can actually build a robotic bee, which can eventually help pollinate flowers which are safe, right? So if you want to say, okay, like I want to go pollinate flowers in the desert, right? And you want to deploy 1 million of these things, can we get to that point in the near future? That's what we're working on. So what you saw is a functional prototype of the world's first robotic bee, where everything, the sensing, perception, autonomy, AI, everything is on the robot itself. And what you saw was we had a sunflower, and the robot can do obstacle avoidance. Basically, if there are other things in the way, it can move away. And when there's nothing in the way, it will basically go down, land on the flower, touch the flower to get the pollen, and it's going to move to the next flower and just deposit that pollen.